What's up everybody, welcome back to my kitchen where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 more kitchen gadgets from Japan. Let's see what I got this time. For the first gadget I got here bacon sealer. By the way, it's 480 yen, so about $4.80. So really cheap gadget. This is a bacon sealer. There is a little bit of advertisement how to use it. So let's say you open your bacon. Technically this is the proper way to open bacon. Then you unfold this or remove it completely. So that way it is very easy to take a slice of bacon out one at a time. You see what I'm saying? Most of the time everybody cuts it over here, but then it's hard to remove the bacon. So remove it from this side. Anyways, let's say you take few pieces of bacon. Now you want to put the rest away, but you want to seal and remove all the oxygen as possible. So this is when this gadget comes in handy. Cool. Wow, look at that. So how does this work? Okay, you close it and then you can even turn it. You see how you can lock it and then lock it this way too. That is so unique. Then turn the latch inside here. There you go. And one more over here. There you go. Wow, super cool. Now your bacon is sealed all the way. But the coolest part also, if you wanna seal it like this and then turn it in case you open this side as well, you can do so as well. But as you can see, my bacon package is way too big for that. But it's still possible to turn it and seal it sideways like that. Lock it. So that way you can lock it like this, but I wish it was a bit longer right here. My bacon package pretty much standard, so it won't fit with this kind of bags, but still a really good idea. In case you cut it right here a little bit and this way, you can close it the corner way. And also this one turns it any way clip. Super unique, never seen anything like that. For the next gadget I got here lettuce or cabbage slicer. Let's see how it works. Stick a couple of fingers in here. Looks like it's adjustable. Very nice. And this looks like a potato slicer or something. So I'm gonna cut my cabbage in half. Boom. Okay, and looks like all you have to do is just up and down like that. Cool. Oh wait, you can even twist it to the side, so that way you can actually go like that. Or if you like, you can go like that. I think the most easiest will be like this. Actually, it says to put your fingers like that. Okay, let's slice up some lettuce. Wow, look at that. I mean cabbage. That actually works really good and very sharp. That is so cool. Definitely using this gadget in the future. You know what, let me try it like this, maybe it'll be easier. Just whatever works with you. I think this way works the best. So that way the lettuce don't go on my hand all over. But look how easy it is to slice up, not the lettuce, the cabbage, that's what it's called, I always confuse them. But check this out. Very good. Let me remove some loose leaves. Start this from this side. No, it's the best to cut it first. And that way you can make a really nice salad out of cabbage. That's very nice. At the end there it just gets a little bit harder. But guess what? Look how well it's shaved off. Just imagine what you can do with this nicely chopped lettuce. So awesome. Okay, let's see it. You have your own channel. Go back to the Cool Farms. So we have lettuce over here. It's obviously different. Not too much, it's just much softer. This is why I also want to put it to the test with the lettuce. So got my gadget. I figure this is the most comfortable to do it like this. And let's start to slice it up. See how it goes. You know what, with lettuce don't work as good. Lettuce is just too soft for this gadget, I think. It's just easier to chop it up. Because cabbage is a lot stronger, you see? It's actually slicing it instead of mushing it. So if you're trying to buy this gadget for the lettuce, not the cabbage, it's not going to work that well. This is definitely made for the cabbage. But it works so well with the cabbage, it's amazing. Definitely a thumbs up for me for the cabbage, not so much for the lettuce. For the next gadget, I got here butter slicer. Let's see what it does. Whoa, check this out. Comes with a little holder as well. Super cool. And with a little fork to pick up the butter. I like it. And it's also a spork with a knife, as you can see, butter knife. Okay, and then I would assume, let's see the instruction. You just slice it right in there. Oh, by the way, the knife goes in here. That is cool idea. Okay, let's slice it, see what happens. Ooh, this is gonna be satisfying. And right in the middle of it. Hopefully this gadget don't break on me. There you go. You don't want to push so hard to where it's like it's going to bend all the way. So be patient. I'm almost halfway. Wow, I can't believe it's durable enough to where it does not break on me. It's very comfortable. You know what, guys? A bit disappointed with this gadget. It's cutting, but it bends on me way too much. You see what I'm saying? This whole thing bended right here to the side. So yeah, I wish the blades were a lot sharper or something. So if you're going to buy this gadget, remember this butter have to be very, very soft, because it just bended this gadget a lot. So now I have to just use my hands to finish it off. You see how it bend from both sides? I wonder if I can bend it back. But this is what you do next. Open this up and then grab this knife, just stab it, boom, put it in, and then that way, you see, it's not even that hard of a butter, it's actually spreads. So I wish these blades were maybe thinner, so that way they cut a little bit better. I love the design of this gadget, but obviously it needs the improvements. For the next gadget, I got here butter shaver, so that way you soften your butter, so that way it's easier to spread it on a toast. This is what it looks like. Also, very new gadget, not available anywhere else but in Japan. Pretty sure anyways. Boom, there's a grater right here, and there's a holder with the little rubber piece, so that way it's not going to slide as much. And then we're going to shave it, so that way it's easier to spread it on a toast. Look how easy it is to shave it too. You know how they say cuts like butter? Literally right here. Probably the most comfortable way to hold it like that, so that way it don't slide at all. And as you can see, this is pretty frozen butter, and now I can soften it by just shaving it. I'll get some speed going. Let's see how fast we can shave it up. Lots of butter. Boom, that's plenty. Check this out. So I can just grab this and put it down like there. Now let's spread it on a cold toast, not even a hot toast. Hot toast obviously is going to spread even better, but look at that, it spreads so well. I like it because it softens so well. Look at that. I like to have a lot of butter. I know I usually don't because it's not as healthy, but boom, perfect spread butter. For the next gadget, we got here a butter spreader. Definitely a new kind. I never seen one of those before. Boom. Okay, this right here, you can cut off a piece of butter into a stick if you don't have a stick of butter, but I don't really have to use it because I actually have a stick of butter. All the way down. It might be too much. Let's go back inside. Yeah, definitely too much. We can just cut off the extra and save it. Then I could just push it in all the way, just like a chopstick or lipstick, whatever you wanna refer to, and spread it on the bread. Okay, let's try to do just that. Okay, got my piece of bread. You open this up, twist it out a little bit, don't have to do it all the way, and just spread it on the bread like this. How cool is that? And if it's a warm toasted bread, it's going to spread just fine, really well, and you can just keep going till you're happy with it. Look, that's a plenty of butter over there. And then once you're done, you spin it back, close it, put it in the refrigerator for the next time. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.